What the? What are you doing? After all these years, I've finally done it. I've enrolled to go back into school after 20 years. It's been a while, and things have changed a lot since I was last back in the classroom.
Do people still use books? I mean, I know technology has changed the way we do things dramatically over the years, but it can't have changed that much, right? I'm sure I'll be fine, because I have all the amazing tools like Microsoft 365 Personal, Windows 11, and my Copilot PC Surface Pro. I'm ready to take this new challenge on.
Let's do this, Shaun. School is awesome! I'm not gonna lie, there are a few learning curves at the start. What the? What are you doing? I pushed that button already. And double click. That's how you do it.
Once I started using everything regularly, I became a pro in no time. First up, let's talk about Windows 11. The new interface is super intuitive and helps me stay organized. The Start menu is now centered, making it easier to access my most used apps and documents. Plus, the Snap Layout feature lets me multitask like a futuristic tech genius. I can have my notes, research, and assignments all open side by side. This is super helpful at school when I want to have a Word document open and research notes at the same time. But it really helps when I'm working on my mid-semester presentation at home at my desk. With multiple screens and apps running at the same time, I never miss a beat because it allows me to visualize all relevant information at the same time. While we're talking about presentations, quick pro tip, for anyone who struggles to present in front of other people, I definitely suggest checking out Rehearse with Coach in PowerPoint. This amazing feature helps you polish your delivery. It points out those pesky filler words, helps you pace yourself, and even checks your pitch and originality. Microsoft 365 is a game changer for students. OneNote is my go-to for taking notes during lectures. I can type, draw, and even record audio notes directly in the app. It's like having a digital notebook that I can access from anywhere. Microsoft Editor and Researcher are invaluable tools for any student. Editor enhances my writing by providing advanced grammar, spelling, and style suggestions, ensuring polished and professional work. Researcher offers a wealth of resources to quickly find reliable information, aiding in data gathering and topic exploration. Together, these tools empower me to excel academically by improving my writing skills and supporting my research needs, making them essential companions in any educational journey. With OneDrive, my notes are automatically saved and synced across all my devices. No more worrying about losing my work. Plus, I don't have to hassle with file transfer when I finish my studies, unlike those of my school friends who are sticking with the free version we got from school. Isn't that awesome? Microsoft Teams has made my student life so much easier. No more meeting up at libraries or at someone's house after school to work on a group assignment. Teams keeps me connected with my classmates and professors. We can chat, share files, and I can even attend some of my classes via video links, all in the one place. I'm not as youthful as I once was. That's why I absolutely love Windows Studio Effects. There are so many amazing AI features that allow me to look my best at any time. With background blur, I can be anywhere without having to worry about what's behind me. If I ever need to participate in the conversation and I'm in a noisy cafe without my headset, I can just turn on voice focus to make sure I don't have any distracting background noise. The Surface Pro combined with the Surface Slim Pen 2 is perfect for annotating on PDFs and highlighting important information. I can easily mark up textbooks and articles, making studying more interactive and effective. With Ink Anywhere, I can use my pen to write in any text box like a search bar. I can even turn my handwriting straight into text in Word and Excel. And let's not forget about Copilot. It's like having a personal assistant that helps me stay on top of my assignments, classes, and my daily tasks. Going back to school after 20 years has definitely been a big step. But with the right tools, it's totally manageable. Microsoft 365, Windows 11, and my Copilot PC Surface Pro have made the transition so much smoother. If you're thinking about going back to school, I highly recommend giving these tools a try. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I wish you luck in your new educational journey. To stay up to date with all the back to school tips, make sure you turn on all notifications and hit that bell.